Yeah, good morning, my viewers. This is Michael School of Forex and Business Management, and I want to introduce you to something new today. It has been working, and I want you to get a clearer picture of what I'm trying to do or what I want to show you. Now, before we start our daily trade, I want you to always put this into cognizance before going into any trade. In any trade you want to be involved with for the day, in any trade you want to be involved with, I want you to do this for me to get positive result, to get maximum results. If you look at this, is volatility 1x index, and I'm on the daily time frame. The daily time frame. Before I go into this, I have to look at the daily time frame and look at the movement of the market. This is a pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see it very obvious, it's very clear. It is very clear. This is the head, the neckline. Okay, this is the head region, this is the neckline region, and this is the shoulder. As you can see, it is very clear and it's very obvious, and I want you guys to look at this before you enter your morning trade. What I want you to see is this is a trend line for the day. This is how the daily time frame is, and before you go into trading, taking any position at all, this is what I want you to do. You go to your trend line, you check the movement of the trend. Is supposed to be in this format, or let's take it like this. This is the trend now. Okay, now this is the daily time frame. Sorry, excuse me. You go to the hourly time frame and see the movement. Now this is how it is in the 4 hours time frame. This is how it is in the 4-hour time frame. The market is about to take a selling direction, though it's still going to buy for a while. It's going to buy for a while, just a short while. It's going to buy until this level. It's going to buy until it gets to this level. Then the market is going to reverse. There's still going to be a little push upward. Still going to be a little push, 1 or 2 candles, short candles. Then there's going to be a reversal. The market is about to reverse into the selling trend. So I want you to grab this opportunity. Today is May 2nd. So grab the opportunity and take advantage of this movement. As soon as the trend changes, you enter the selling position so that you can grab 1 or 2 profits, taking like 1, 2, 3 positions here to sell this candle as soon as the trend changes. Okay, now we're going to go down to the 1-hour time frame and observe the movement. If you look, it's already forming. The selling candle is already forming, though it's still going to move up a bit. It's going to go up a bit and downward. So the market is about to hit a U-turn because it's already on. If you look at the daily time frame, it's already on the trend line. Look at it, it's already there. So the market is about to make a U-turn. So when you go to the 1-hour time frame, it's already forming. If you go to a lower time frame, you see the selling candle is coming up. It's already forming. The market is about to hit a U-turn. It's about to change. And go to the lower time frame and let's observe it from that angle. You see. So I want you to understand this, that if you trade in this format, you are not going to suffer much loss. If you look at this time frame, this is the 5 minutes time frame. You look at it very well. Look at it. The 5 minutes time frame is already, the selling candle is already forming, though it's making some consolidations here. It's still going to come down. As soon as it passes here, it's going to come down to my 100 moving average before there will be a little shake up. So the market is going to come. It's coming down. It's already hitting the selling trend. If you go to my lower time frame, let's go down there. See how it's forming, though it has sold a bit on the lower time frame, but it's still ranging. It's ranging because it's at a confluence point here, so it's ranging. Now if we want to know why it's ranging, you place your trend lines there and back test a little, go back a little to see why it's forming that movement here. This is it. Look at it, the trend. This is what is causing that little um, back and forth movement. If you look at it very well, it's forming similar thing right here. It is forming similar thing. So that is it. This thing happen on all synthetic indices. Even in the boom and crash market, you get something similar. This is where we get our spikes and spike, upward movement, and the likes. So I want you to follow this trend. First, before you enter any market, you check the higher time frame, then you make your trend lines and go to the lower time frame to see the accuracy. With this, you'll be able to take positions that will yield profit, maximum results, maximum profit, maximum results. So I want you to take this opportunity to like and share my video. If whatever thing I'm giving to you is okay, is satisfying, please like my video, share my video, drop a decent comment. I'll be glad you did. And this is Michael School of Forex and Business Management. Just take the opportunity to dive into volatility. 25-1x today is going to sell. The candle is already forming. It's forming to sell downward. So take the opportunity and make profits. See you in my next video and have a nice day. Love you guys.